Are you ready to take your car to the next level? Limited use bonus. As a program focused on optimizing the safety and performance of Lotus Eletre wheel spaces, BONOSS has been dedicated to cutting-edge design and meticulous manufacturing since 2007, with rich manufacturing and trading experience, from measurement to design, from production to testing, from packaging to sales. BONOSS promises to deliver the most professional and high-quality products and service. The BONOSS Lotus Eletre wheel spaces have lightweight plus design. The benefit of the lightweight plus design of the BONOSS Lotus Eletre wheel spaces means that the whole design is further optimized based on the traditional wheel spacer. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption and improve handling while ensuring safety and reliability. All BONOSS Lotus Eletre wheel spaces are all forged. The manufacturing process of forging made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and they have two types of materials we can choose. One is aluminum alloy 6061T6, the other is aluminum alloy 7075T6. The 6061T6 for daily driving, and the 7075T6 for racing, drifting, or extreme driving. BONOSS Lotus Eletre wheel spacers have a multi-stage hub-changing design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. And match ISO grade 12.9 wheel bolt. The material bolt uses SCM 440 steel material. It has achieved ISO standard grade 12.9, and with the 12-pedal hand design, the pedal hands can only be manufactured by superforging technology. Not only that, but the bottom of the bolt also has a BONOSS engraved. By engraving the word BO BONOSS on each BONOSS extending wheel bolt, it expresses the guarantee of quality and the protection of customer interests. BONOSS has over 66 HGS and GV test record. Also, BONOSS provides OEM OTA service and customization service. You can choose the wheel spacer size from 3mm to 160mm and PCDCB conversion. BONOSS has a complete Lotus Eletre wheel spacers production chain, offering various specifications and models. The factory is equipped with professional equipment to ensure product quality and precision, and has an efficient production and logistics system to ensure timely delivery and flexible adjustments. We have more than 10 R&D staff who focus on innovation and improvement. We can complete the adjustment within 2 months after the new car model launch and only 2 weeks for popular models. According to market feedback and technology programs, we continuously improve our products and provide personalized solutions. After more than 3,000 measurements, the installation case has exceeded 10,000 times. We have just supply chain management to ensure the quality of raw materials and products, meet the needs of large volume orders, and have a full sales network in various international markets. Our BONOSS Lotus Eletre wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives us peace of mind. BONOSS wants to provide more additional functions for the Lotus Eletre wheel spacers and make the wheel spacer safer, higher performance, and better installation experience. With that same patient forecast, we think that using high performance parts can really up the driving experience and add more serious volume bonus to power wheel.